हाय अंकिता सरकार, वेलकम टू माय फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट। तो बताइए आप कैसे हैं?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, right. I need to catch hold of the
Uh,
YouTuber's accent, है ना? So apparently she's the one who actually introduced me to NutriShake. She's here to ask me a few questions, and yeah, I'm all yours. Take me away.
so how did you like it?
Uh, Supplement maza aaya. I sincerely enjoyed the supplement. Now, a good thing about NutriShake was actually this, that it kept you full.
What it helped you? Like how? Did you feel
See,
any change or?
talking about my lifestyle, I think it's a active lifestyle. I am here one day, the other day I'm somewhere else, the fourth day I'm in some jungle and stuff like that. So that is how I live. And apparently what happens is every single day तुम्हें आके घर में वही same nutritious खाना मिलना बहुत difficult है. So NutriShake comes in at that point in time and gives you the proper amount of nutrients that go missing, that tend to go missing. Protein में देखो, I don't usually go lacking or missing because I make a point that I'm having the correct amount of protein and stuff. मैं फल भी खाता हूँ, तो what happens is nutrients इधर उधर आ जाता है, but green vegetables is something that usually goes off my list. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा था कि एटलीस्ट जितने सारे बाकी न्यूट्रिएंट्स है जो मैं नहीं ले रहा था बॉडी में, तो वो जैसे इसका नाम है वो सप्लीमेंट कर देता था. तो आई थिंक इट केप्ट मी फुल, इट केप्ट मी हैप्पी.
What is a supplement exactly, according to you?
राइट. सप्लीमेंट, देखो, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ सप्लीमेंट एंड अ रिप्लेसमेंट. इट इज़ अ डाइटरी सप्लीमेंट.
Yeah.
ठीक है, इट्स नॉट अ रिप्लेसमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज अ डाइटरी सप्लीमेंट? इज समथिंग दैट गोज अलोंग विद योर डाइट. सप्लीमेंट है ये सब. जैसे हम मैथमेटिक्स करते थे तो मैं क्लास 6 में सप्लीमेंट्री फिगर्स एंड सप्लीमेंट्री मार्क्स भी मिलता था. So apparently it's like that, it's marks तो तुम्हारा, it's the diet on your plate, and this is something that will supplement your diet ताकि आप ace करो अपने पेपर में. It's as simple as that. And replacement is very difficult to actually have synthetic replacement जब तक आप Antarctica में नहीं है, या you're not in a NASA spacecraft or ISRO spacecraft in the future. तब तक dietary replacement, I think packages में जो आ रहा है, that again is a little controversial because apparently I was in one of that new replacement. I was actually on Kellogg's K and stuff like that. So apparently मेरा weight loss तो हो गया था,
Yeah.
but that point in time I didn't really know कि what are the ill effects of losing weight. What was happening is I was losing weight, yes,
Yeah.
but I think I was losing on muscle mass.
Muscle mass. Okay.
Yes, so that is something that you don't take into consideration. जब तक weight loss होना है तब तक, मतलब results तो दिख रहा था because weight loss हो रहा था, but वो weight loss inappropriate अगर होता है, then that is a major issue.
Exactly. So you're right. So yeah, supplements are not to be replaced with meals. Here I want to say that balanced diet is so important, as you know.
Absolutely.
Like I also want to know that I also want to share with people that how you maintain your balanced diet.
देखो, if you talk about my schedule, what happens is I wake up, I have some oatmeal. दूध में मैं oats मिलाता हूँ उसमें. I have some supplement जो आपने हमें दिया है. That supplement really changed the ball game because diet used to be very it used to be very boring. तो ये जब supplements आता है, it adds taste, and you can have something like that. It's apparently called pudding, oat pudding or something like that. So it tastes good. रात को आप भिगो के रख दो दूध के साथ, add some supplement, and then add some nuts to it. It'll give you healthy fats. Carbohydrate, as we all, I mean, oats is a complex carbohydrate, so it's good for your health, and it मतलब इतना जल्दी sugar spike नहीं होता body में, so it's kind of good. And you can add a few bananas or any other फल, थोड़ा सा it'll keep you will keep you jumped up the entire day.
According to my
So that's my
choice.
that's my breakfast. For lunch में I usually have some chicken and कभी कभार eggs, कभी paneer and a little bit of rice here and there. And then रात को 6 बजे तक basically अब 6 से 7 बजे तक you finish off with your dinner. And dinner maybe you got to keep it light on carbohydrates actually.
सबका लाइफस्टाइल अलग है. So it's basically like eat food frequently, but do not ever overeat it, because that develops fats in your bodies. And there are many people like coming to me and saying, मेरा पेट बढ़ गया है, पेट कमा दो. So if you if you have only breakfast and lunch and dinner, and only rice and rice and rice and no added supplements or added nutrients like fruits, minerals, or vitamins, or proteins, or green leafy vegetables, so obviously you'll develop disease. And first is like, I would like to say, if you're obese, so first comes like diabetes. So you'll be getting this diabetes very soon, because nowadays this is a very like keen lifestyle disorder. So it's happening in teenagers also and in elder ages also. So we have to keep in mind that, yeah, balanced diet is so very important for us. Like everyone, we should have a balanced diet. No matter whether you are from a nutritional field or your medical field. But as a common people, balanced diet is very important. What do you say?
Absolutely. Type 2 diabetes is actually a major pandemic. In fact, next big pandemic. Or by the way, for absolutely. By the way, madam ने अपना paper research paper is on type 2 diabetes. So yeah, I mean you better hear her out very carefully. Apparently, हमारा meal में is an issue. You know, talk about our general meal. वो क्या होता है? जब तक आप अपने थाल में you have rice. और आप अगर एक थाली भर के खा रहे हो, इट्स कंसिडर्ड वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. एंड यू नो बंगाली में कहते हैं कि स्वास्थ्य तो अच्छे. इट्स फैट्स एंड फैट्स अपेरेंटली आपको उतना चाहिए ही नहीं. दैट्स विजिबल फैट that is accumulating on your body and around your organs. That at the end of the day is not health. It is fats are a problem. हमें हमारा जो ये जीन टाइप है, ये जो पूल है, व्हाट हैपेंस इज फैमिन्स बहुत होता था इस पर्टिकुलर रीजन में, तो हमारा बॉडी इज यूज टू स्टोरिंग लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ फैट्स. इसलिए हमारा पियर शेप बॉडी है, राइट. दिस पर द इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट एरिया जो रीजन का मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज हमें एट दिस मोमेंट वी आर blessed with a very pleasant life, है ना. हमें it's not as challenging. So उतना राइस, उतना चपातीस, रोटी, पूरी वो नहीं चाहिए अभी हमारे बॉडी को. You need to feed it with proper amount of protein. Now there is a protein war that is again going on social media. Now I don't understand कि you think प्रोटीन अगर जहर है तो वो जो ये हम पुचका खाते हैं और फिर वो स्वीट्स खा रहे हो, चीनी एक्चुअली शुगर इज वाइट पॉइजन. आई थिंक दैट हाँ, उसके अगेंस्ट में तो कभी नहीं सुना हम लोगों ने कि ये ऐसा है वैसा है. प्रोटीन now there are different sort of protein supplements in the market too. It is very important कि आप कौन सा चूज कर रहे हैं ना. You got to be a smart consumer as well, right?
The meal plans, like in your everyday life, how do you include? So first of all, it's not like that eating too much rice is bad for health, or yeah, it is, but it should be balanced. Your every meal should be balanced. Your breakfast, your mid breakfast, your lunch, your evening snacks, your dinner, everything should be balanced for the whole day. Okay. So basically what, like for example, if you have a fruit empty stomach in the morning, your glucose will spike. So it's better if you start with boiled green leafy vegetables and with something salads. You can include salads. You can add anything boiled, like I'm just giving an example. like green मूंग जो होते हैं, you can add that also, that cause like potassium and protein है उसमें. So after that, like you have to like best time to eat fruit is from 10:30 to 11:30 in the morning. So you can add fruits at that time, and then goes the lunch. Lunch में yes you take rice or chapati like equal amounts में होना चाहिए, like carbohydrates, protein and fats. So ये तीनों चीज़ इक्वल अमाउंट में होना चाहिए. सो यू टेक केयर ऑफ इट दैट लाइक जिसको जो पसंद है दे विल बी एबल टू इंक्लूड इट. एंड सेम गोज़ फॉर इवनिंग स्नैक और डिनर. Like everything should be balanced, like carbohydrate, protein and fats. And generally like it's like according to our BMI कि हम लोग कितना consume कर सकते हैं. But for a normal diet 2000 kilocalories is perfect.
It's more than enough, in fact.
Yeah, it's perfect. But for obese, like they have to decrease it slowly. So it again goes with the research thing and all, and it goes with a very deep thing and all. So you don't have to think about that. Just eat normal, eat well, take the right food, choose the right foods, because किसी का भी like बहुत चीज़ों से allergy भी होते हैं. So they'll think about it.
See, yeah, देखो कैलोरी काउंट्स अपेरेंटली जब पहले पहले आता है ना, इट साउंड्स वेरी, इट साउंड्स लाइक समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी स्ट्रेंज, बहुत हाँ बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगता है इसे फैथम करने में. बट सी वंस यू, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नीड टू कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ योर कैलोरीज एंड इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. आजकल बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस वगैरह भी है कि वेयर यू कैन कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ योर कैलोरीज. बट I've got a good news. ऐसा है कि if you are a normal individual, हम लोग सभी normally, I'm not saying that, but आपको अगर fitness competitions वगैरह में compete नहीं करना, so आपको you don't need to be in such a strict diet per se.
Yeah, exactly.
Once you get a hold of कितना calories जा रहा है आपका body में for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you'll have a proper, मतलब you'll have a lump sum understanding of कितना calories आप consume कर रहे हैं. And अगर आपको weight loss करना है, तो there's a very simple science to it. You have to be on calorie deficit, ठीक है. And then if you are bulking, कि आपको अगर बॉडी बनाना है तो आपको कैलोरी इनटेक ज़्यादा करना है, जितना रिक्वायर्ड है उससे ज़्यादा करना है, और आपको वर्कआउट करना है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप बल्क करेंगे तो यू विल शेप इन डिफरेंट वेज, ठीक है, एंड वेज यू विल नॉट लाइक. एंड देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड मेंटेनेंस कैलोरी. अगर आपको मेंटेन करके रखना है उसके उसी कैलोरी में आपका इनटेक रखना है तो आपका बॉडी भी वैसा ही वही शेप में रहेगा. बट I kind of feel that there is only one proper way for me that really works out. It's maintenance calorie. मेरे को जितना maintain करना है मैं उतना ही लेता. ओवर करेगा कभी कभार वो हो जाता है, and then you need to balance it out. That's the entire ball game. Nothing more, nothing less.
And like I want to add something. It's out of this topic, but I want to add something. So I found these cases. I mean like lactose intolerant. Like लोग होते हैं, पहले दूध का चीज़ खा सकते थे, अभी नहीं खा सकते थे. तो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. यू सी इफ़ ए पर्सन, अगर वो इंसान बहुत दिनों तक या बहुत सालों तक अगर वो मतलब दूध नहीं लेते हैं, तो सडनली इफ़ दैट पर्सन टेक्स, तो ऑब्वियसली उसका पेट खराब होगा. दैट्स वेरी नॉर्मल. सो यू डोंट हैव टू बी सो थिंकिंग लाइक क्या होगा, क्या है, क्या हो गया है. इट्स नथिंग. इट्स जस्ट योर डाइट.
Right. I think I completely agree with you on that. आजकल हम सब self diagnose करने लग गए हैं. Like everybody apparently is ADHD.
Oh my
Now, हाँ, ये I mean I'm going to psychology at this moment, but I mean this just sounds fancy apparently for a lot of people. And then I'm lactose intolerant. You have had lactose for a good time of your life, कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया. एक्सेस लैक्टोज जब गिरता है बॉडी में अचानक से, जब वो होता है, then you might have such issues. Does not necessarily mean you're lactose intolerant. If you are intolerant, बहुत जन होते भी है lactose intolerant, then you need to get yourself tested. There's no other way कि आप मतलब आप self declare करने से बचो. That's the only suggestion that we have at this moment.
So it's basically the adaptation, how you adapt, how you keep yourself
अगर दिमाग में आते हैं हाँ मेरा ये हो गया है ये हो गया, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी सिक.
Absolutely. But I think we can go discussing on this like a lifetime, but we will be digressing from our topic. हमारा subject आज का था कि nutrition
Yeah,
कैसा लगा.
exactly.
मुझे लगता है कि when you're maintaining a very active lifestyle, जब आपका intake सही नहीं है, as in आपका diet and stuff आप मेंटेन करना चाहते हो, बट हल्का सा राइस या हल्का सा वेजिटेबल्स हो ऑन योर प्लेट, वो अगर नहीं होता, देन आई थिंक द सप्लीमेंट रियली रियली हेल्प्स एंड एड्स ऑन टू योर प्लेट द मिसिंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स. ठीक है, तो मेरे को लगता है कि न्यूट्रिशेक इज एक्चुअली हेल्प मी अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ अ प्रॉपर डाइट, बिकॉज उसके पहले आई हैड इश्यूज कि मेरा कार्बोहाइड्रेट कम इनटेक हो रहा था. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस विद कार्बोहाइड्रेट, जब कम होता है देन यू डोंट फील एज हैप्पी और एनर्जेटिक, बिकॉज योर बॉडी नीड्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट, एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट जब आप लेते हो व्हाट हैपेंस इज द एंड रिजल्ट इज शुगर. सभी शुगर ही बनता है बॉडी में, राइट? सो कार्बोहाइड्रेट वो जल्दी जल्दी शुगर जब रिलीज करता है ना, यू फील हैप्पी. सो अगर कार्बोहाइड्रेट गोज मिसिंग फ्रॉम योर लाइफ, यू विल नॉट फील एज हैप्पी हमेशा. ठीक है, सो देर आर पीपल लाइक जॉर्डन पीटरसन who's completely on a वो flesh diet, carnivorous diet, if that is how you put it.
Carbohydrate is a macronutrient, so we need this in a huge amount in our body. You see, there are some people who are avoiding carbohydrate totally. Do you think that they are having a balanced diet? No, they are not having a balanced diet.
ये मैं नहीं बोल सकता, because
It depends upon, like, suppose I'm talking about the normal people. Okay? Someone going for gym, their diet will be different. Someone is sick, someone suffering from any disease, their diet will be different.
but मुझे लगता है कि everybody should hit the gym. Gym should be for everybody. Gym is just not for bodybuilding. It's also for strength training. You'll need that for your life, you know. Every other exercise that you do. But anyway, I understand your point. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं काट रहा हूँ तुम्हें, but actually मैं काटा ही है. हाँ, but then there are people like Jordan Peterson who's completely on a beef diet, meat diet. हाँ. So Jordan Peterson, look at the personality that he is. No, he's somebody you look up to, of course, but he has depth, like a lot of them. Now I'm not propagating such a diet. Neither does he propagate such a diet. But उनका अपना reasons है. He went into a carnivorous, full-fledged carnivorous diet, or that works for him. Now हमारा diet apparently is perhaps one of the best form of diet. हमारा Mediterranean diet है, सब involved है. I think it keeps you very very healthy and fit.
Like सबका adaptation अलग है, सबका body का like how they adapt to things is different. So yeah, सबका ideology भी अलग ही है.
Absolutely.
Yeah, everything is correct.
मुझे लगता है कि हमें पॉडकास्ट करके बड़ा मजा आया, एंड आई थिंक वी शुड आई थिंक आई फाउंड माय मोजो. बड़ा मजा आया, एंड yeah, let's see you on episode 2. One was fun.
This was one was fun.
Yeah, chalo, bye, see ya.